For the last few months, I've been spending much more time trying to be creative in the kitchen. This was a really yummy pineapple salsa. I've been making large batches of bread dough and then taking the dough and making lots of small different loaves out of it with various seasonings. Some mornings I've been doing breakfast bakes, mixing up eggs and peppers and onions and beans and tomatoes, cilantro. In other words, a gallo pinto with no rice, and then baking these in the oven. This is one of Ken's favorite dishes, eggplant parmesan. This was a mixed vegetable parmesan with a nice looking salad served along with it. Home-baked matzah, the first and last time. They weren't very good, but we ate them anyway. This had actually the same ingredients except for some bread with it as the breakfast bake, only prepared in the frying pan. Chicken thighs with red cabbage and onion. We don't have pancakes very often, but we did have them one morning for breakfast, and they were quite good. There's a first time for everything, and this was my first time to make tortillas. Ken helped. It was a fun project. We're actually still eating them. They're pretty good. Could have been a little thinner. We'll do it a little bit better next time, but it was fun. The whole purpose for making the tortillas was to have fajitas, which we did, and here you can see Ken having his fajita in the tortilla. The recipe said an impossibly easy pear custard pie. And it really is good. When I was explaining the fact that I didn't have all the ingredients, which I usually don't, and instead of using oatmeal, I put chocolate chips on top, that even sounded better.
Bon appetit!